Yeah, China will ban too.
China will ban.
China will ban just everywhere, right?
Everywhere.
Let's call this time.
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so China ban just everywhere, man.
China about to everywhere. China about to everywhere.
Everywhere.
China about
Exactly.
everywhere.
Thanks a lot. Let's go, man. This is easy question. So let's say here, I'm Hamish. Easy, man. Let's get started. So after a discount of 8.5 was offered, so if I'm selling this pen or whatever I'm selling, let's say my water bottle, I'm selling water bottle here. So the actual price is 100% price for the water bottle. You know what I'm saying? That's the actual price, like original price. But if I sell for discounts of not 8.5, it's 8.5, right? 8.5 means they selling price is gonna be 91.5 because I have to take 100 minus 8.5%. So it's offered. So after discount of 8.5 was offered, it's still sold an item for that price. Oh, so you gotta be very careful. This question is very, very tricky. It's easy, but it's tricky. You know why I say that? Because there's a comma right there. So it's kind of this question when and then it kind of start. Like after discount of 8.5% was offered in the cancel, the sentence stop. Oh, there's a comma. It's still sold an item for 6,950. Oh, so it's still sold an item for 6,950. So that's the selling price of an item, like the actual price of an item. But we don't know the selling price after discount. Okay? So I'm gonna say, now let's come here. So I'm gonna say I've written some of the stuff here. I'm gonna say, let's go. So I have my percent and I have my price. So percentage means original percent, 100%. Do I know how much? Oh yes, this is my original price, which is 6950.82. So the price 6950.82. So after discount means it was 100%, but the discount by 8.5. So means from 100 minus 8.5 is going to be 91.5%. Now let's find now what is that selling price. So we're going to cross multiplication, means percentage price, means for 100% that price. For 91, how much? You know what I'm saying? So I want to find after discount how much the products or the item was sold. So I'm going to cross multiplication. 100 times x is going to be 100% times x equal to 91% times by 6950.82. So I'm going to divide by 100%. I'll divide by 100% throughout. By 100% and then by 100%. Isn't this concept? So my x equal to, take my calculator. See what I'm saying? So take a calculator. Take a calculator. Shows me. So this is a calculator. So I'm going to come here and say, okay, fraction. Let's plug in the calculator. Plug in the calculator. This is going to be 91.5. So 91.5, 50%. And then we multiply by 6950.82. And then we over by 100. 50%. And this is going to give us 6360. Oh, so this is the actual selling price. So original. The discount price, mean when he discounted, this is how they sold it. How did they sold it? By 60. What by? 60, 360, 0.00, how much 03. Okay, so this is 91.5 what? percent. But we're not done with the question. You know what I'm saying? How the question say? The question now say, this store made a profit of 20%. Oh, so you see this question is the same question, but it has like 2 steps. Okay, so even though this you think is a discount price, but now when you come to the second case, they say the store. See here, I say the store still made a 20% profit on a sale. Oh, what the original price paid by the item. Okay, so even though for the first case this was 95%, because for 95 this is a price which we got this, but for the second case this is like, look, they say they made a profit. So now let's go for the second case. So for the second case we're going to say, look, so I'm going to write here again percent. Let's cut like this. So second case, I'll say percentage price. So we have a price here, which is 63. 63.60.003. But my apologies. For percent, what is percent? They say they made profit of 20%. Oh, so if the original price we don't know that we're looking for, because they say find the original, we don't know. Let's call it Y. Okay, but the percent, they say they made a profit 20%, means this is going to be 120%. Okay, and the amount is that one. You know what I'm saying? Even though you think it was smaller a little bit after discount, but for the second step, the same amount is like profit was made. So I'm gonna say this 120 is this amount here, 6.0003. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, now we can multiply y times 20 is 20y, 120 y equal to 100%, and then we multiply by 63 by 60.0003, and then we over by 120, we over by 120. Okay, so we want to get the original price. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we can just plug in the calculator, because this 120 and this constant, so our original price means when it's 100%, the original price equal to, plug in the calculator, take a calculator, like how we did before, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. Okay, so come to the fraction here, and there we see 100, 50%, we multiply by 0.0003, and then we over by 120, 50%, and then plug in the calculator. That's going to give us see, it's going to give us 6,300,00025. Oh, 6,300,000,025. Oh, okay. So our price is going to be 5,312.00025. Oh, so the original price of this item, which is what we're looking for, equal to this amount. You know what I'm saying? So if you go to the option here, it's option number 2. You know what I'm saying? So that's how we solve this question. If you have any question, man, please leave a comment. You know, I'll be more than happy to respond to your comments. Okay? Thanks a lot. In a mile, man. Easy, man. This is the easy question. Easy, man. You do this question, it is easy like that, man. Thanks a lot. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, I believe in learning from how to do things. If it's make sure you subscribe, and you know, you can just go and do donation to our Patreon page. I have a Patreon, I have a GoFundMe. You know what I'm saying? I have all the means of donation, because to make this project going, you know, any type of donation, the little that you think is too small for you, it could make a lot of change. And thanks a lot for all your time. You know, subscribe, don't forget, share this video, circulate to a lot of people, you know, because the meaning of this project, this program, is to help as many as we can. Okay, it's not only for one person or two, because you might think it's not helpful for you, but for somebody next out there, it could be very, very helpful. So thanks a lot, man. And you know, any donation that you did to me, it means so much. I appreciate it, man. It means a lot. Go to our Patreon page, go to our GoFundMe, because we need to have a lot of things. We need to put them together, like camera, you know, and a lot of equipment, so that we can improve on, you know, a lot of angle, a lot of aspects of these projects. You know, thanks a lot, man. I appreciate and I love you. Peace and love. Bye. You know, this is one of my students of knowledge. You know, she wanted to introduce herself. What's your name? Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Kali.
Yeah.
I'm from Southend Primary School.
Yeah, China Wabantu. China Wabantu is everywhere, right? So this is my other student. His name, what's your name? Matthew, yeah, he's grade 11, man. So his aim is to score distinction, right? So you promise, I want you to score distinction this time. And what's your name? Joshua, how much you promise me to score this time?
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so China Wabantu is everywhere, man.
China Wabantu. I'm trying to about to everywhere.
Everywhere.
Trying to about
Exactly.
everywhere.
Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. If you had to give advice, which advice would you give to the people or to the students?
Trust Amish.
Why would they trust me?
No, because it's really good. They actually has helped a lot. I redid first year for maths. It was my own fault, but also I didn't know a lot of the work. And Amish said lots of hard questions, and it's demotivating sometimes to do the harder stuff. You just want to get done, but it's the hard stuff that makes you realize the easy stuff is easy.
Ayapuma matoda yosingela.